guys, Tom Eckers in Rogers, Minnesota. I am excited to show you this 2019-21 SPX that we just got in. It is beautiful. It's got the gray sea deck on the back. You've got the white interior, which is just beautiful. This one has a 250 horsepower engine. With that 250 horsepower engine, you're going to notice that stainless steel prop. It's going to get you up out of the water, give you the power that you want in a boat this size, so you can enjoy water activities. You can pull a tuber, you can pull a wakeboarder, you can pull a knee boarder if you want. Inside the boat, of course, you've got Bluetooth controls, stereo controls. It is a beautiful boat. As always, if you have any questions about this one, this is one of our last 2019s, so we'd be happy to sell it and get rid of it. If you have any questions about it, by all means, please ask for myself or any of the other sales associates. As always, hit the subscribe button for more videos that come up. Thanks.